Hello everyone, good afternoon. So my cat Jojo are still want to stay outside even though we have strong rain and 30 miles per hour is the gust of the winds. So he's still there. Jojo, are you not scared being here outside? We have rain, so windy. So they said we're gonna have a tornado warning, but we're fine, I guess. So this is the weather for today here in Ocala, Florida. Yesterday was a wonderful day, but today is rain and rain. So Jojo is not scared at all. Just sit there.
Like feel the wind through my hair.
Yep, now he moved. Rain, rain, go away. Just come back another day so that my pets can play. So now they want to go outside in the porch because the floor is wet, windy, rain. So that's their life. I feel sorry for those stray cats during bad weather. Love me, loving you, loving me. This is the way I clean myself all day long. Pat? Okay, it's a grooming time. Wow. You're the most cleanest kitty in the house, Pat.